Hola beautiful people, it's me, Penny Queen, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be about a wash and go. I achieved this wash and go using the Shea Moisture Wash and Go line. Yes, Shea Moisture has a new line out called the Wash and Go line. I know you go to bed one day, wake up the next, and Shea Moisture to put out a whole line, and you be like, where did that come from? But I seen it in Target and I had to pick it up. So these are the results that I received from this line. I did pin it up to give it a little bit of a style and some flavor. Check it out. Boom. So if you want to see how I achieved this wash and go and receive these great definition, just keep watching. Alright, first up we have the Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Shampoo with cocoa butter and plant peptides. This shampoo is uber creamy, but it is so watery. Like, I don't understand how the creamy look can be so watery. It's not sticky at all, but applying it to the hair, it was super sudsy, which I love. I love shampoo that is super sudsy. The cocoa butter is supposed to be rich in essential fatty acid, which helps support hair elasticity, and the plant peptides is the building blocks of protein to help coat each strand to enhance the curl definition, which, as you can see, the shampoo definitely enhances the curl definition, which is A plus. And I love this Vanity Planet massager. Like, look at the suds. It is just doing everything. These are the results. As you can see, the shampoo definitely clumped my hair together. It's super shiny and clean. I actually like the shampoo. The conditioner is the Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go conditioner with the same ingredients, cocoa butter and plant based. This conditioner is uber thick. It was so thick it didn't even want to come out the container. Like, I was getting annoyed at this deep conditioner. I had to take the top off and just apply it to my hair because I could not keep pumping that little bit out every 5 seconds. But as you can see, it does go on the hair and it's really thick and it melts in the hair even though it's really thick. I know with low porosity hair, sometimes thick conditioners are like a hit or miss, but this conditioner actually penetrated my strands. So after I get it all on my hair, I decide to put on a shower cap, let it sit for about 30 minutes before I rinsed it out. After that, these are the results. Again, my scalp is nice and clean. Hair is super shiny. We have the Make It Last Wash and Go Curl Primer and the Make It Last Wash and Go Defining Gel. This is the curl primer. You are supposed to apply this before you apply your gel. This stuff is super creamy. As you can see, it's not as loose as the shampoo, but it has a little runniness to it. We apply this to the hair and look at it. It is definitely clumping my hair. It doesn't have a lot of slip at all, but it's, you know, clumping the curls like it should. They say this product can also be used as a pre-poo for super easy detangling. Now, this is the disappointment. Look at that gel. There's no stickiness. How is this a gel? Like, it's nothing to it. It's like water almost. I'm not sure what is in the product that, you know, is supposed to call it gel, but this is not gel. It did nothing for my hair. It says layer over primed hair, rub gel oil between your palms and apply to the sectioned hair using the prayer hand method. I mean, I did that. I did all the steps. I used the comb, I did the shingling method, I did the praying hands. I tried all steps. And just look at it, like, it just, I don't know, it's doing something weird to my hair. I'm not sure if it's the coconut oil or what. I mean, as you can see, I'm getting really good definition, but my hair is not clumping. Even with the brush, the hair wasn't clumping like I'm used to seeing my hair clump. But the definition is great. So, I don't know. Do you want definition or do you want your curls to clump and define? I don't know. I tried multiple things, but sliding my fingers down it made the best results. Here's my hair all done. I love the definition. I'm just not getting the clumps. My hair is looking like oodles and noodles over there with this blonde. Here I'm just putting my part on the side so I can have a deep side part. And I like to gel my hair back because when I put my scarf on, it lays it down, which gives it really good smoothness in the morning. You already know, gotta lay them edges. I like to lay my edges at night so that when I wake up, it's already laid. Alright guys, you reached the end of this video, and as you've seen in the video, my hair is not really a fan of this line. Oh my god, I love Shea Moisture products. And you know how you love a line so much that when you come across a product line and you're like, oh my god, I don't know what my hair's gonna do with this. So I am not a fan. As you've seen in the video, my hair did not really cooperate with it. Yes, I really got a defined wash and go, I guess, but it did not clump my curls. When I do my wash and go, I'm looking for products that clumps my curls. My hair is definitely moisturized, so they nailed the moisture part of this line. Like, this wash and go is like look at the movement. My hair is dry and the movement is there. So I give them a plus for that. The movement is there. The hold is not. This is about a 2 hold. Like, there is no hold whatsoever. I did put edge Eco Styler gel on my edges. That's why this part is holding very well. But this is not the line for me. I'm sorry, Shea Moisture. I love your products, but this wash and go line, it just was. But those are my thoughts on the Shea Moisture Wash and Go line. You may have better luck with it. I did not have really good luck. I mean, the Wash and Go itself did come out great, I guess, without my curls being clumped. My hair is almost just like really stringy and frizzy. The definition is great. That's a plus. I guess if you're looking for definition wash and go, this is definitely for you. But I can't see myself using this for anything else. Alright, so this is the end. Without further ado, you know what time it is. It's time to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and comment below. See you in the next one.